Damp issues can cause serious problems in your home, ruining walls, causing structural damage, and even leading to health risks like mold and respiratory issues. But hiring the right specialist is just as important as fixing the damp itself. So, how do you know who to trust? Many homeowners make the mistake of hiring damp specialists who aren't properly trained or accredited. Outdated or poor certification programs have led to an industry full of unqualified and unreliable tradespeople, costing homeowners thousands in unnecessary repairs and poor workmanship. That's why we created the Federation of Damp, FOD, a new trusted accreditation body that ensures only the best trained professionals get certified. Unlike older, outdated certifications, our specialists go through rigorous training, real-world assessments, and continuous professional development. So, why should you choose a Federation of Damp verified specialist? Proven expertise. All members are fully trained in the latest damp-proofing methods. Honest and accurate surveys. No unnecessary treatments or upselling. Guaranteed work quality. Certified professionals meet strict industry standards. Independent and transparent. Unlike many companies that diagnose damp and sell treatments, our certification ensures fair assessments. Peace of mind. Avoid cowboy builders and rogue traders who cut corners. Don't take risks when it comes to your home. Make sure your damp survey and treatment is done right the first time by a Federation of Damp verified specialist. Look for the FOD certification badge or visit our website to find a trusted professional near you. Federation of Damp. Raising standards, protecting homes.